어디 가세요? 돌멩이? 근데 이거 봐, 돌멩이 여기 있어요. 보여? 이거, 돌멩이 여기 있어요. 오케이? 이거 봐. Son? Okay. Hey, what up, Street Talks there, Kim? Alright, quick turbo thought. So, why GoPro? So, you know, everyone's got an iPhone or a smartphone, whatever now. So, a question is, why get a GoPro or why use a GoPro? Given all these considerations, my personal thought is, it's simpler, it's more robust, your kid can throw it around, you're not afraid of getting scratched, and this is good because it motivates you and empowers you to essentially do more, to become more, to experiment more, and to just have more fun. And also I find that, you know, I'm using GoPro Hero 10. I don't even have any mounts, I'm just holding with my left hand. I'm shooting 1080p 24 fps, the super view, the super ultra wide angle mode, no external mics, whatever. And I just find it to be like the simplest, most streamlined, also reliable solution. And you know, I've disabled the front LCD screen and the front blinking lights. And the big upside of this is that you could just kind of stream your thoughts quicker, more efficiently, with less encumbrances, perhaps. And I think the big problem about Americans or being American is we're actually always seeking the perfect or the optimal thing or device for everything. And certainly there are certain things which are more optimal than others, but I think it's better to do a bad job and to just do it and to ship it and just get it out there, rather than striving to make it quote good and just never doing it. So, you know, starting a side hustle, entrepreneurship, starting your own business, or becoming self-employed, whatever, it becomes an issue because we have these good, ambitious dreams, but what holds us back is kind of maybe a search for quote perfection or doing things quote good. Splashy. One of the good things about being here in Hadong is I'm surrounded by 3 sides of Korean National Forest, bamboo trees, and this insanely epic view. Is the irony is actually you feel kind of small, or you forget about yourself and you just like look at the great, like there's like 100 quadrillion bajillion trees, rocks that you can never pick up, whatever. And the benefit or the upside of this is 왜 하늘이? 아니 졸려? 맷? 맸죠? Okay. The big benefit of all this is that, okay, it gives you the chutzpah or the balls or the, okay, 던져봐. Wow, mega splashy. It kind of gives you more chutzpah or more balls or more, you know, more kind of like reckless motivation to just experiment and try new things that you've never done before or other people haven't done before. And I think creatively speaking, the more unencumbered you could become, the better. And the big benefit that I personally have starting a YouTube channel before there were ads, I think I started my YouTube channel in like 2010, was when I started, like, there was not yet notions of like quote good videos or good editing. It's just like random cat videos, everything's like 480p. Even the first viral GoPro street photography POV video I shot was on the OG original GoPro, and I just uploaded to YouTube because there was nowhere else to upload video files at the time. And so I kind of feel bad for potential creators nowadays who, you know, want to start uploading videos and sharing and publishing, but then they feel like they have to learn all these silly editing things and post-processing and video types and stuff like that. So my big motivation is maybe just like communicating to people that like it's okay to not do a quote good or proper job. Like, and even like, you know, everyone wants 1 trillion views now, right? Just even if you have 0 views, this is my thought, right? Even if you have 0, 하늘이 문 보여? 참 잘했어요. 쉬? 하늘이 쉬? 오케이, 던져봐. Even 0 views is enough views, I think, right? Because 집 갈래? 집에 갈래? 집? 오케이. 집에 가자. 오케이, 박수. 오케이, 뭐 안녕. 오케이. 또또. 오케이, 우리 또또 집 갈까? Okay. So now, especially having a kid, right? Like really, yeah. Okay, really nothing is optimal, no more. And I've actually found this to be a huge benefit because I've always kind of been the type that I just like to do stuff even though it's not quote good, but you know, the biases of society, it's like everyone wants to do a super good ass job. I would just say, yeah, it's better to do a shitty job / whatever than to do no job. 아니, 또또 있어 없어? 또또 없어요. 오케이 가자. 또또. 오케이. 예. 또또 어디 있어요? And I'm all about unlocking human potential. And once again, what it is that holds us back, it's, you know, the views, comments, likes, whatever. Essentially, social media is a big, it's kind of like a red herring, or like kind of a big distraction. And also, some facts that people don't know is that even if you get a million or 10 million or 100 million views, the creator might only earn like $2,000 US, which is like, you know, it's enough to buy like a MacBook Pro, but it's not as like you'll probably make way more money, like, you know, driving Uber or, you know, being a handyman or electrician or even a server than you would trying to monetize the YouTube. So I really think that the purpose of YouTube isn't to monetize and make money off of it, but just treat it like a free video hosting site for 4K videos, 5K videos, 8K videos, or just 1080p videos, 480p videos, 720p videos, or HD, right? You remember HD, the 1080p. Yeah, I mean, just, and honestly, like for me, the biggest benefit of blogging or vlogging or whatever is, as I vlog, as I blog, as I talk, it helps me to just kind of like, 던져볼래? Okay. Hehe. More? Okay. It helps me just kind of like flesh out my thoughts, and yeah, so, you know, people are like, why blog, why vlog, whatever. Do it for your own, first, like, it's gonna self-benefit yourself, right? Like, even if I vlogged this, recorded this, me just talking nonsense, and I never uploaded it, at least it like helps me further my thinking a little bit. And now the upside of uploading to YouTube or sharing on my blog or vlog or videopress.com, part of the wordpress.com jetpack plugin, is like certainly at least like one person is gonna watch it, right? And so like for me, even one view is good enough. 우와! 한이 super mega 돌멩이. 와, 메가 돌멩이 여기 있네. 던져봐. 던져봐. 하늘이가 메가 돌멩이. 오케이, 메가 돌멩이 던져봐. 오 예. 오케이. 던져봐. 하하, 박수. Okay. Yeah, so just kind of ultimately do it for your own benefit. 던져봐. Another pro tip I have is that if you just want to, you know, not get discouraged, just disable views, comments, whatever, and essentially do it for yourself.